Start recording. Okay, hello everybody. I am back again with another project. Okay, so let's have a look at this one. Can you see the molecular of the sound popping into the screen? Okay, I made them a bit yellowish. Now just remember one thing, that sounds wouldn't be able to travel if there is no molecular, because the sound has to be transported via molecular. So each molecular, if there is no molecular, there wouldn't be sound. You wouldn't be able to hear it, and it wouldn't be transported into your ear. Okay, so this is the way it works. Let me see. See, the best is to get the microphone close to me, so that I can. Okay, hello, hello, hello. Can you see? Perhaps. Hello, hello, hello. See? Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me? That's the movement of the molecular structure produced by the sound. Okay? And that's the way it works. So, this is an experiment, which I think it's make it fun, but you can change it. You can, well, if I put music on, then it looks, but obviously I can't do that, because I'm probably going to put some music on that is got a, it's copyright and then they switch my video off. Okay, so I don't need to do that, but you can experiment with it. I don't know if you have this type of screen. This is a Pico LCD 1.14. It usually comes with a Pico. Oh no, it doesn't come with a Pico, but you can put it together with a Pico at the back, and then you plug it in like you use a normal, and you set it up. Okay, but I prefer it to use it like this, because it works according to what I want. I mean, if I put it here, there are no many project and not many explanation how it should work. So I just use it with Arduino IDE, which works perfectly for me. I plugged it. You can plug it anywhere. The only I've used it in Arduino like this, and I can use it on ESP8266, but I haven't been able to connect it to ESP32, but I will try, because ESP32 has got more memory, and when you deal with colors, you probably need more memory, and this is not a very good one. Okay, so let's see the code. Okay, let me try one more time. Hello, hello, hello. Yes, so I can make the particle bigger, but it probably wouldn't look interesting. Okay, here is the sound. This is the way it's connected. This is the TFT, the CS, DC, and RST. Is connected for the Pico LCD 1.14. These are the pins. There are more pins, but I'll show you later. I have already put the pins in a lot of video that I use this screen, this LCD, so you can go and check this video as well. Okay, so this is the TFT initialization is 135 by 240. Okay. You can change the color. I made it green, but you can make it white, or you can make it blue, or red if you like. It's probably interesting to have a white background and maybe blue dots. That could be one idea, So yeah, you can try. And there it is. It's the draw pixel x by 1 minus 1 and 135, which is the height of the LCD. Okay, these are the drivers that you need to upload on your IDE, and it's ST7789.H, and SPI I use because it's got several pins, and as you can see, I prefer this SPI setting than other one. So, but you can see how it is connected. You see? It has a joystick and it has up and down button, but I'm not using them. Okay. All right. So, hello, hello, no, hello. Can you hear me? Cough a bit. Hello, 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 hello. You see? There. Okay, so this is the way, maybe more. Okay, hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me? And that's the way it works. Okay. Good. Well, guys, if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Ciao.